Hey guys, it's Angela, and for today's video we are going to be unboxing my BOXYCHARM for July 2018. So if you would like to see what I got in this month's box, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm a little late with this box this month. It arrived kind of late, and I've had it for a couple of days and I haven't had a chance to film, so let's go ahead and get into it. The kids are here with me today, so we are probably going to see a lot of them. At least Joey and Michaela, not Joey, Joey stays in his room for the most part, but Kylie and Michaela, you might hear them in the background. Michaela has been playing a lot of Fortnite, and to be honest, so have I. I'm absolutely obsessed with the game, but I suck at it, so I'm not uploading any videos. I did one where we were just doing the playground mode. Anyway, you guys probably don't even know what that is. And if you do, yeah, I'm in there. You know, I'm in that group. So anyway, let's take a look and see what we got in this month's box. I have not looked at any spoilers or any videos. I know Kathleen Lights put up a video a couple days ago, but I did not watch it. I've been too busy playing Fortnite. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what's inside. Okay, so if you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a subscription box that brings 5 deluxe size or full size products for $21 a month plus shipping or tax, one of the two. Alright, so the first product I pulled out is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And that is what it looks like there. Really beautiful packaging. Not sure about this whole tube thing mascara. I haven't really tried any mascara like this, but let's take a look at the wand. And it is somewhat curved, like an S shape almost. Looks interesting. Can't wait to try that. I'm not going to be doing any try-ons today just because I'm so late already as it is making this video. Trying to edit a try-on is going to make it even later. So I have the card this month, the theme. I'm doing things a little backwards today. What is the theme this month? BOXYCHARM road tripping. Okay, and there's 2 different coupons on the back of the trifold card. One is for Wonder Beauty for 20% off. The code is WonderCharm07. I will write that at the bottom of the screen. Feel free to use it because I won't. And the other one is 20% off of Pharmacy, and that is Charm20, the code for that. So yeah, let's move on to our next product, but let's see how much this mascara is first. Wonder Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara retails for $24. Alright, our next product in our box is this guy right here. Oh, okay, this is from the brand Note, and it is a blush. It says Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So let's go ahead and get this out of there and see what the color looks like. If you hear, sorry. Kylie's arguing with her sister. This is in the shade Desert Rose. So again, it's just a plastic little compact that says Note. And that is the color. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. Very soft. Very pretty color. There's a swatch. I'm excited to try this. And it brings a little mirror inside. How lovely. Alright, very cool. Let's move on to the price. This is Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and it retails for $11.99. Okay, the next product in our box is another tube. The next product is from Dr. BRANT, and it is the Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. Now I know Dr. BRANT is a very good brand. We always get things from Dr. BRANT very consistently with BOXYCHARM, and I'm really excited to try this because sometimes these under eye bags don't want to go anywhere. So, like right now, I'm not wearing anything on my face. I don't really care to lately. I'm just kind of enjoying my summer. Don't really feel like wearing makeup, so. And that eye cream retails for $42. Alright, our next product in our box, it is the CELLA Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. An eyebrow cream. That's interesting. Did I just open the wrong side? I don't... Oh, what? Oh! Such an idiot. Okay. So there's eyebrow cream in there, and the other side is a little brush, and you are supposed to just dip it and apply. So this is eyebrow products on the go. Very creative, never seen packaging like this. Very, very cool. I like it. I will have to try it out. In fact, let's do a little swatch just to see what the color looks like. Okay. Okay, the brush is a little fatter than I like for eyebrows, but you know, just to do a quick fill-in, it's very light. It's not too overwhelming or overpowering, so I do like that. I like the concept. I don't know how well it's going to actually work, but I like the concept. It's very cool. I will have to let you guys know how this works out for me. And this is the CELLA Beauty Eyebrow Cream, and it retails for $26. Our next product in our box, and I do believe this is our last product, is from Crown Pro. I think this is the second Crown.
I want the bubbles.
Okay, I'll give it to you in a second. She wants the bubble wrap. This is the second Crown product that we received palette-wise. I want to say it's the second. Okay. Here you go, Kelly. Here's the bubbles. Alright, this is the packaging right here. It just says Crown in a nice matte case. I know, right? Mascara. Pretty cool, right?
Why?
I don't know. It's kind of cool though. I'm not gonna judge till I try it. Oh, you can't pop these. These are the unpoppable bubbles. Sorry, mommy.
Wait.
No, they won't pop. They just shift air from one bubble to another. Yeah, it's cheating.
evil.
I know. Okay, so here is what the palette looks like. You are getting the first look. I haven't looked at it yet. Let's bring a nice mirror. Oh, these are larger pans than I thought it would
Wow,
be.
is that eyeshadow?
Yeah. Those are really pretty warm fall colors. I'm excited for that. Let's go ahead and do some swatches.
There we go.
I have to make my makeup.
I'm not gonna do your makeup. You're only 3.
There, I
You're
fixed
turning 4 tomorrow. Tomorrow's Kylie's birthday. By the time you guys are seeing this, probably today's Kylie's birthday if I don't upload it tonight.
Like
Hey,
that piece.
hey,
Huh?
eat your beans.
Oh.
Eat your beans, lady. Alright, let's go ahead and do quick swatches. There are 10 colors in this palette. Alright, so I'm going to do the top row first and then the second row. These shadows do not have a name. The plastic doesn't have a name printed on them.
What about the back?
So, nope, no names on the back either. And
You name 'em.
No names on the back of the box. So,
You name them.
I'll just say top row, second row. Alright, so let's start at the top. We're going to start with a peachy color right there. And then we're going to go this one, this one, this one.
Get to swatch your thumb for once. Wow.
Alright, there's all the colors on my fingers.
The thumb though.
Okay, some of them do feel very like crumbly. So let's see. This is the first shade. Right there. It does have a sheen to it. It's like a satin finish. Then we have the second color, which is a matte nude shade, good for transition shade. Then we have this golden berry color, very pretty. That one was the one that I felt was crumbly. It's like a duochrome, but very pretty nonetheless. Then we have this more brown shade. That's a matte shade. Again, very pretty. These are very soft. And then the last color is just this beautiful copper, orange copper color. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, let's go ahead and do the bottom row. By the way, while I'm wiping my fingers off, this Crown Brush FUEGO eyeshadow collection retails for $29. So this palette with 10 shades is $29. Alright, let's go ahead and do the bottom row. Pinky in the first one, second, third, fourth, and thumb. Okay. So we're going to do the second row here. We're going to start with the pinky. That is what that shade looks like. It's a similar color to that bottom, but a lot lighter. Just a much softer rose gold type of color. Then we have another matte shade, which is a darker transition shade option. Very pretty, actually. We also have this one. This is also a matte shade, just like a deep brown burgundy color. Then we have a deep chocolate color, which looks like that. And then we have like a metallic satin sheen type. Sorry about that, guys. My camera cut out because my memory card was full. So let's go ahead and look at that palette. I think I said it was $29.99. So that is everything in my BOXYCHARM this month. Let me know if you got the same products or if you got different shades of this blush, for example. If you got a different product altogether. No lippy this month, but that's okay. I really like the shadow. I can't wait to try on the blush. I'm looking forward to trying the mascara and the eye cream. I love it all. This really intrigues me, so I'll have to get back to you guys on this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. If you did, be sure to click the like button down below and click the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload videos. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button as well. And follow me on social media. I am Angela.babe on Instagram, and I am YouTube.babe on Twitter and Snapchat. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!